Alright, now we're on video.
Video, that's why. Okay. Right now we are in the underground river in Palawan, which is recently chosen as one of the 7 wonders of the world. With us is an American, Mike Eisenbart. Like what? Footlong. Footlong. Sausage, hot dog. This one, what are inside of this, honey? We're inside of, look at that, oh, you see that, you get that, you get that, oh.
Okay, ma'am. Ganap po tayo, ma'am. Right side po natin. Basta po pati, ma'am. Ayun po, yun po yung E. War po po.
What?
Sabi sa E. Lumabas po lahat yung nakita po natin sa